Drones predate smartphones by several years, with basic models emerging in the early 2000s. The first military drones were used for reconnaissance during World War I. Modern drones can reach altitudes of over 6,000 meters, 19,685 feet. The word drone originated from the Old English word drone, which meant male honeybee. Some drones use AI to dodge obstacles and follow targets. Drones help farmers by monitoring crops and assessing soil health. The global drone market is expected to surpass $40 billion by 2024. Not all drones fly. Some are designed for underwater exploration. We often think of drones as recent, but basic radio-controlled aircraft date back to the 1930s. Drones assist in disaster relief by delivering supplies. Drones can reduce wildlife disturbance in ecological studies. Some drones can fly for over 30 minutes on a single charge. Drones aren't just for air, they've been designed for space exploration too. Drone racing became an official sport in the mid-2010s. Most commercial drones weigh less than 55 pounds, 25 kilograms. Drones have been used in filmmaking to capture breathtaking aerial shots. We rely on drones to inspect infrastructure like bridges and power lines. They can protect endangered species by monitoring poacher activity. Drones help in archaeology by mapping ancient ruins without disturbing the site. The tiniest drones are no bigger than insects and can fit on a fingertip. Most drones use electric motors, but some models run on gas for longer flights. Drones can aid in reforestation by planting thousands of trees daily. Some drones can remain stationary, allowing for prolonged observation. The largest drone ever built has a wingspan wider than a Boeing 737. Drones have delivered pizzas, medical supplies, and even mail in some regions. Amazon announced its drone delivery system, Prime Air, in 2013. We have drones that can replicate bird flight for stealth and efficiency. Drones can create 3D maps by capturing data from multiple angles. Drones played a vital role in COVID-19 response, from deliveries to disinfecting areas. Some drones come with thermal cameras for nighttime operations. In some countries, drones are used in firefighting operations. Drones have been used in scientific studies of tornadoes. Racing drones can reach speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, 193 kilometers per hour. We often use drones for wildlife monitoring, reducing human interference. The drone industry has created over 100,000 jobs in the past decade. Some drones mimic the flight patterns of birds to avoid detection. The first no-fly zones for drones were established around airports to prevent interference. Drones have been used in music concerts for light shows. Training for drone pilots is stringent, emphasizing safety and regulations. Drone swarms can perform synchronized maneuvers using advanced algorithms. Drones monitor forest health, helping to detect early signs of disease or pests. Some cities deploy drones for security surveillance. The UN uses drones for peacekeeping missions and monitoring ceasefire agreements. Drones assist in search and rescue missions, especially in challenging terrains. Many airports have anti-drone systems to prevent unauthorized drone activities. Drones capture data for climate research, studying weather patterns and ice melts. Military drones have evolved from mere surveillance to armed operations. Drone photography has revolutionized real estate marketing with unique property views. We use drones in agriculture to precisely apply pesticides, saving resources. Some drones can detect gas leaks, ensuring infrastructure safety and environmental care.